When filling out the subscriber template, follow these important guidelines to ensure your data is accurate. Do not alter the first line or header row in any way. This includes using lon for longitude, not long. For the customer field, provide a unique identifier, either a name or an ID. Ensure there are no commas in this field. For the following fields, it's crucial to provide complete address data. While latitude and longitude are optional, the address information must match the fabric for current subscribers. For lat and lon, enter the customer's latitude and longitude, or leave them blank if unknown. Address. Provide the street address without commas, suites, or apartment numbers. City. Enter the city name. State. Use the two-letter state abbreviation, like TX for Texas. Zip. Enter the zip code. Next, specify the service details. In the download and upload columns, enter the speeds of the customer's plan in megabits per second without units. VoIP lines quantity. If the customer has VoIP lines, enter the number of lines. If not, enter 0. Business customer. For business customers, enter 1. For residential, enter 0. Technology. Fill in the proper technology code exactly as listed in the directions sheet for the subscriber template file. Following these instructions will help ensure your data is correctly formatted and ready for submission.